Trap me when you're done. Do not go on. Tell me some materials that have high levels of hardness. What's a material that has high levels of hardness? Julian?
Diamond.
Diamond, beautiful. Okay, what's a material that has a low level of hardness, meaning easily scratched? Love that Julian has his hand up again. Hi, you're not helping. Please jump in the pool. Go ahead, Daniela.
Wood.
Wood. Okay, wood. Yep, perfect. Strength, the next one. Josh.
The ability of a material to resist pulling and pushing without breaking.
Good. Strength. What is something that has a high level of strength? Something that isn't easily broken. Love that Josh has his hand up again. Chalice. A desk. Good. Okay. Let's do materials, not objects, though. Tell me something else. Jared.
Iron.
Iron. Awesome. That's a material that is really hard. It has high levels of strength. Sorry. It also has a high level of hardness, too. Diamante?
Titanium.
Titanium. Beautiful. What's something that does not have a high level of strength? Josette? Speak up. In some cases, yes, but in some cases, no, it depends. So let's keep going with these. Another idea. Go ahead, Luna.
Elastic band.
Elastic band, that's fine. Okay. Next one. Translucency. Read the definition, please. Noelle, loud.
The ability of light to pass through material.
Good. What word do you see in translucency that helps you understand the meaning, especially if you speak Spanish? What word helps you understand the meaning of translucency, the ability of light? Translucency. Amy? Loose, which means light. That's how I always remembered it. Like, translucency just like goes through. Okay, so, heads up. There are 3 different vocab words here. Transparent means completely see-through. What's a material that's transparent? Shamari? Glass, yes. Okay, next one. Translucent means just light goes through. What's a material that's translucent? Elena? Paper, okay, that's fine. Something else. Love that Shamari's hands up again. Velma? Window. Certain windows. Where do you see translucent windows, not transparent windows? Where could you see them most often? Josh?
Church.
At church, like stained glass windows, only light goes through. And finally, opaque. What goes through opaque? What can you see through them? Rodriguez? Nothing. Good. Okay, give me some materials that are opaque. Bridget?
Like a desk.
A desk. Good, like plastic or wood. Tell me something else. Opaque. Chalice. What? The water? Okay, so water, light goes through, yeah, most of the time. Yeah, Julian?
A rock.
A rock, beautiful, okay. Guys, these questions seem really easy, like, duh, I get this. Somehow, 8th graders on the MCAS every single year get these wrong because it's a question like this. Maybe it's like, Emmy got hired by a church to build a window that is translucent, not not transparent. What material should she use? And people get it wrong because they get tripped up. What material should she use? What material? Gift? Something opaque? Is opaque translucent? Well, look at the definitions. You got it. What's the difference between opaque and translucent? Nice and loud, please, Gift.
Light can't pass through.
In which one?
Opaque.
Good. So we want light to pass through, so which one do we want?
Translucent.
Good. What's something that's translucent? Go, Gift. Paper. Good. Okay, she probably wouldn't be hired back by the church if she made a paper window, because for other reasons, windows made of paper aren't too good. What's another material? Great perseverance, though. Shamari.
Colorful glass.
Colorful glass. Good. A lot of people would just choose glass, and then they wouldn't get the answer right. That's tricky. Questions about that? Okay, so you need to know what materials to use for each of these. Pull them down. Couple last ones. Here we go. Let's go. Bring the energy, guys. I need some zest from you. Flexibility. Daniela, go ahead.
The ability of a material to return to its original shape after being bent.
Good. What's an example of something that is flexible? A material that is flexible. Come on. Let's go. Rafi.
Rubber band.
Rubber band. Beautiful. You can bend it. It comes right back. Go ahead, Diamante. Something that isn't flexible.
Liquid iron.
Liquid iron. Beautiful. Okay. Actually, I don't know if it can go back to its original shape. Well, once it sets, it can. Give me another example of something that isn't flexible. Shamari. Your pen. Good. Yep, that's made of plastic. Electrical conductivity. Go ahead and read it. No, out loud.
The ability of the material to allow heat current. No, electrical current.
Good. Electrical current. Yep. Things that have high electrical conductivity are what? Bridget.
Metal.
Metal. Great. Yep, metal. Have you ever put something hot in something metal and you were like, ow, 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 hurts? Yes. Also, like plastic cups. I don't know if anyone's ever tried to put anything hot in something like this. Ow. It hurts. It's not good. So this is probably a really high electrical conductor and a really low insulator. Tell me something that does not have high levels of electrical conductivity. Luna.
It's about you saying that the metal and the plastic are electrical conductivity. That's thermal conductivity, because you were saying if you put something hot in them, you can.
Oh, I'm sorry. I did the wrong one. I'm sorry. Sorry. Thank you. All right. Electrical conductivity are things that electricity can go through. Thermal conductivity allows the flow of heat. Thank you very much. Sorry about that. Heat. So that would be metal. These are high ones. Metal, sometimes plastic. What's a low thermal conductor? What does not let heat through very well? Shamari, very good to participate today.
Cloth.
What?
Cloth. Cloth.
Cloth? Okay, cloth, yep. Something else? Jared?
The color white.
The color white, okay. Anything the color white, right? Go ahead.
The outside of a wire.
The outside. So that's that can be made of a bunch of different things, but rubber is the most one, okay? One other one. I'm thinking if you have a Dunkin' Donuts cup and you don't want it to burn you, or you think it's too cold, you don't want it to get too cold, what do they put around it? Jared?
Styrofoam.
Yes, styrofoam. Those are all low ones. What?
You said rubber from the wrong point, because they use rubber for
No, they're for both. You can use rubber, but rubber also.
You don't see rubber
Oh,
plates.
I get what you're saying. How am I
Plug
gonna fix
things
the
in.
video?
It's made out of rubber.
Thank you. Okay. So yes, Julian, who said the rubber? Julian. Okay, yes, for electrical conductivity, let's get this right. For electrical conductivity, its rubber is very low. And for thermal, the low ones are styrofoam, sometimes cloth, the color white. Perfect. Okay? Yes.
Is it water or electrical? Is it water or electrical conductive?
Yeah, I think so, but I don't want to tell you 100%. Did you learn this in 7th grade? Water? Okay. We will look it up and get back to you on that one. Okay, hold up. Physical property, last one. Pull it down. Very last one. Read it, please. Go ahead, Bridget.
A physical property or characteristic of an object that can be observed, described, and measured without
Changing.
changing the matter.
Perfect. All right, here's what you're going to do. You have 3 minutes to do it. You are going to answer the boxes with your partner and just put arrows next to the picture that you're talking about. The one that is like the building falling, that is an example of a low property, like one that does not have that property very much. You can talk to your partners. I'm putting 3 minutes on the clock. Go.
Okay, so what is this one? This one looks like translucency.
What? Oh.